Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So it has been a hot second since I have posted a video on here. I've just been working so much. As you can tell, I've rearranged everything in my apartment, so my apartment is looking a little bit better and organized than it was before. It feels good to finally, settle in and have everything finally unpacked and finished. Some of you wanted to see an apartment tour, but I'm not sure if I really want to do one just yet. I have a pretty shitty apartment, so I don't really see the point in making a video. Hi baby. This guy always wants to cuddle whenever I'm doing videos. So adorable. Hair everywhere. Okay. So I'm super excited about this video because I've always wanted to get one of these things, and I received this PR package. It is a Mindful Souls box, so it's like a subscription box, and I'm just gonna do a little unboxing. So this is the box. It has like a cool logo of this eye trippy pattern on it, and you open the box and it has this card in it that says, encourage yourself, believe in yourself, and love yourself. Never doubt who you are. Which I just love that. I think that is the cutest thing ever. And on the back of this, it actually shows everything that is in the box. And it has a description of what it does, and basically this subscription, it's like a monthly subscription. It's sort of like beauty boxes, except it's for healing, like spiritual healing, and it has some gemstones in it, stuff like that, crystals and cool things that will help you be relaxed and just at a good mind state. So I'm super excited to get one of these boxes, and I'm just so grateful that they sent this to me. So thank you so much, Mindful Souls. I am just thrilled to be talking about this. I actually knew somebody who worked with gemstones, and this, the first thing that I'm seeing in this box is smudges, and he's smudged me before, and so I think it's kind of funny. It just reminds me of him, and yeah, I haven't seen him in a long time because since I've moved and everything, I just kind of lost contact with him. Anyway, so let's get into this box. Throughout this video, I guess I'll be referring to the back side of this card that has information about what everything is. So yeah, there's another card that says Mindful Souls with the cool little logo, and yeah. I love the way that this box looks too. It has hay in it, and it's just so cute. I love it. And so yeah, let's just dive right into it. So this is New Age Smudges and Herbs. For those of you who don't know what smudging is, it's basically when you burn, you're supposed to burn this, and it's supposed to cleanse the air around you, I guess, and diminish any evil spirits or anything, negative energy. So it says, light the bundle from the top and or crush the leaves, put them on the burning charcoal tablet and place charcoal burner at safe surface. Keep out of reach of children, pets, and flammable material. So it says it is white sage and red abalone. So that is super exciting. Okay, next is this little like sticker. I just love stickers. Like I used to collect stickers when I was like 5 years old, so I love stickers. Like even right like as now as an adult, I love stickers so much. So I'm super excited to get a sticker. And back when I was promoting glass a lot more on my old Instagram account before it got deleted, I used to get slaps. They call them slaps, stickers, slaps, whatever. I used to get those all the time for different like companies and stuff. So I think it is so cool that they just included this really pretty artistic sticker in here. Okay, the first baggie we're gonna open up is this one, and you can see it has the little logo on there. Super cute baggie. Okay, so this is what it is. It's like this little marble, and it's actually really pretty looking. Like, oh yeah, you guys can see that. But yeah, that is what just came out of that bag. So this is right here on the pamphlet that I got, and it's called Tiger's Eye Sphere. When fear enters our decision-making process, our choices get skewed. To see the path ahead clearly, improve your foresight with a Tiger's Eye Sphere. Tiger's Eye healing properties protect us from seeing the worst in ourselves. Instead, Tiger's Eye healing energy blesses the third eye with confidence, courage, strength, and harmony, so that our perspective isn't tainted by self-doubt or insecurities. To activate your crystal, sit quietly holding your crystal in both hands. Breathe in the highest white light and visualize your intention for your crystal. Wow. So that is really cool, I think, and I will just set this aside right here because I'm gonna go on to the next thing in my box. So this is also in a little baggie as well. It's just in a little black baggie, and oh my goodness, this is super cute. Okay, so look at this. I think you guys can see it better up close, but it is a yellow apatite waning crescent necklace. The waning crescent moon symbolizes the end of the old cycle, the start of approaching a new one. Detach yourself from the world and rest. It is a time to think things over and contemplate the things you should let go. Apatite is a dual action stone known for its positive use of personal power to achieve goals. It clears away confusion, apathy, or negativity. It then stimulates the intellect to expand knowledge and the truth, which may be used for personal growth or for the collective good. It is a stone of manifestation, promoting a humanitarian outlook and service to others. So I just absolutely adore jewelry like this. I love, if you guys follow me, you know I love like gemstones and glass, anything like that, because this is like jewelry that you can wear and not get robbed. You know, like people will never rob you of your gemstones and glass, and if they do, then they're pretty lame. Actually, that's not true, because I have gotten robbed from my ex-boyfriend. He robbed my some of my glass jewelry, so that is actually, yeah, it's pretty sad, I know. So I'm gonna wear this because this is super cute and I just love it so much. Oh my gosh, I'm super happy about this. Thank you so much, Mindful Souls. Okay, so my next baggie is also in a black bag, and it is another stone. So what is this? It is moss agate. I don't know how to pronounce these words, but I'll show you. It is that one, moss agate, I think, but I have no idea. Anyways, it says that it carries a strong connection with nature, mending its healing and nurturing energy to you. It teaches us to appreciate and enjoy each moment we have with the earth, helping us to set an intention for healing the planet. Associated with the heart chakra, moss agate also helps facilitate the release of old habits and fears to inspire growth. So that is pretty neat. I'm definitely going to like put these somewhere, I think. Like maybe I could put it for like decoration like there or something. I don't know exactly where I'm gonna have these gemstones, but I'm gonna definitely have a spot where they'll be seen and just kind of give off good vibes, you know. I think that's like a cool thing. This one though is a little bit tiny, and I think I might have this in a special spot somewhere else, so my cats won't get to it, because the cats could definitely try to play with it and eat it, and I don't want them to die. My cat has been loving this freaking stuff, but I can't let him eat it because I don't want him to choke and die on it. Okay, so this is what was in that bag. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so adorable. I love it. So this is what I pulled out of the baggie. It is a adorable, stop chewing on that. Oh my gosh, my cat is chewing on the freaking, but look at how adorable. It's like a little stretchy and bracelet. I love these bracelets. This is like my favorite type of bracelet. So I'm gonna just wear this right now because I love it so much. Okay, so looks like there's one more thing at the bottom here. This is the last item. I actually didn't see this before until now, but it's the biggest bag in the box. What is it? Oh wow, this is so adorable. Look at this. Do you see this, you guys? Like, this is like so freaking pretty. So this is sorry, I'm a little sick, you guys, but this is a clear quartz energy generator. Having an energy generator crystal in your space will help to clear out negative energies, giving you peace of mind during your daily life. These generators raise the energy from the earth to the sky and can bring universal light and knowledge into your space. It is a great tool for meditation, healing, and general support, and can also be used to charge other crystals. Clear quartz is a master healer crystal, and it amplifies the energy of crystals it is placed near. Place energy generators in your home or your workspace to protect, activate, and transmute energy. It's an energy generator, and I think it is so freaking awesome. I don't know where I'm gonna put all this stuff, but I think for now, yeah, I don't know where a good spot would be for this, but I love it. I love it. So thank you so much, Mindful Souls, for sending me this box. It is just amazing. I will be having a giveaway, so one of you guys will win a free box if you enter. So to enter, all you have to do is be subscribed to this channel and comment down below what brings you peace. It can be anything from a hobby that you like or something that you do every day. And yeah, we'll also be having a giveaway on for this on my Instagram, so bonus points if you follow me on my Instagram as well, which is __ Jasmine Kim. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.